everyone, it's Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Today we will learn colors. But first I'll tell you a story. Every morning the sun rises and sends rays to the earth. The rays are divided into colors. 3 primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. There are also additional colors. For example, if you mix red and yellow colors, you get an orange color. If you mix yellow and blue colors, you get a green color. If you mix red and blue colors, you get a purple color. Today we will learn the red color.
Wow, wow, wow! I'm so excited to be here. But who am I?
Hello, my dear.
Who is this? Who is there?
It's me, Abby.
Hello, Abby. Could you help me? I'm completely colorless. Please color me.
For sure.
Wait a minute. Oh, you chose red color for me. I like it. I'm red. That's who I am. Thanks, Abby.
You are welcome.
But if only I could find red ones like me. Hello, little tomato. You are red too. Now you're just like me. You are red. Tomatoes are so delicious. Hi, chili pepper. You will be red too. Like me. Be careful, kids. The peppers taste hot. Hey, watermelon. And you will be red, like all of us. Watermelon is so yummy.
Alright, kids. Today we learned about the red color. I hope you enjoyed this coloring video. In the next video, we will learn about the orange color.